What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, we're going to go through the Galaxy Store. If you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, you have a separate app store known as the Galaxy Store. And there's a lot of apps and updates that happen in that app that either will not happen or will happen depending upon how you have things set up, and they still might not happen. So I'm going to walk you through some settings that you should have turned on, and if you don't have these turned on or off, then you'll know where they at least are if you want to. So without further ado, let's go into the Galaxy Store. So swipe up from the top to see all of your apps and look for the Galaxy Store. It should be in alphabetical order, hopefully, and then hit the Galaxy Store. Open that up. I'm in events right now, so I'm gonna go back. All right, now I'm at the main page of the Galaxy Store here, and one of the major things in here is that when I'm using this, you might see that, you have all this jibber jabber on here. You have apps, you have, things that you can click on. So where do you want to go? So at the very bottom right, you're going to see menu. Tap on menu at the bottom right there. And then from here, if you want to update your apps, you'll see it at the top. It says updates, tap on that. And if you have any updates, you can hit update all. Beyond that though, what you can do is you're going to see the gear in the very top right. Tap that gear, and that brings you into basically your Galaxy Store settings. And what you want to do is do the following. It's going to make your life a lot easier. Now, if you don't have unlimited data and you are using tons of data, don't do some of this stuff that I'm going to show you. But I know in America and most of the world, we have tons of data on our phones, and it shouldn't matter. So auto update apps, tap on that, make sure it's set to using Wi-Fi or mobile data. So what that will do is automatically it's going to update your apps, or at least it should, when you're on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Next you want to do is autoplay videos. You can set it to Wi-Fi only or never, but I keep it at both. So what that means is if you go into an app, it's going to automatically play the video so you can get a preview of what you're looking at. Next would be the Get news and special offers. Turn that off. One of the most annoying things is buying a $1,000+ phone and having ads on your phone. This will help reduce that greatly. So turn off Get news and special offers. Also turn off Get notified about game offers. I mean, unless you love getting these things, just turn it off. It's like BS stuff. You don't want it. Next up is notifications. Go down there, tap on that. You can have get notifications. It's going to be on, but I'm going to make them silent. So they're going to be hidden a little bit more for me. Hide content on lock screen. I have it turned off. Require password biometrics to buy. I would turn that on. That way, if your kid or somebody gets hold of your phone, they can't just go buying apps in the Galaxy Store. So turn that on. Next, tap on About Galaxy Store. You're going to see auto update Galaxy Store. Tap on that and change it to use Wi-Fi or mobile data. That just means when there's an update for the actual store itself, the store app, it's going to update that no matter what connection you're on. And then going back just to Galaxy Store menu, just the main thing they're going to probably have to always come in here and do, because they just don't seem to update very often, go into updates and check for that. I can go in at least once a week and I always have some updates going in there. So yeah, check that stuff out. Let me know if you use the Galaxy Store, if you buy or download apps in there at all, beyond the regular Galaxy apps. So there you guys go. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.